Yes, okra any fear, Nankura, dear Husie. Okatakyie Afrifa clash with Captain Smart. I found some Captain Smart oh, playing a crash and oh, Ayanoma. Ayanoma, the team play better from Afrifa. Afrifa clash with Captain Koyo. Oh, yeah, oh, Pala, Captain, Captain Smart, don't make any Captain. I have you Penyah block media. That's why I said it. Over like this video, no that I'm subscribe button and snap click bell and face and find the latest updates. Now, but you're watching the mama ever comment section. Let's rush over so. No, I should video more for so any be ashe. It's Ghana no year now 20 na year morning. After say plane a crash here. No one ever ma any mutra Muhammad. We na could be any other thing so ye swinty. Yeah, pay the possible cost. I never the cost any plane no. Ete black box ye mu e ma ye. But uko social no maintenance so no be a Canada. Am a captain so oh anoma.
Anoma and am aeroplane at from. So we share planes do at from or hanchi chemo aduasia enum 65% anoma. Modern aircraft aeroplanes abawiase nyina no de ye na abefo ye mresu na no ye se ye tibi ye such a way your friend bird ingest entimi enko for how we are and family but anoma your friend pete say niwa de minim ni po trust anyum no o ma me frɛ wo say pete or frɛ anoma your friend pete say ora aeroplane engine ni mu a wo boa plane never form if you say pete ni mu odu eche asrewa se crow I friend akon crow kra no twi yere fantifo friend den akon kwan o se den and crow ni twi minim se de obefre no yes o obi asonafo ahye sode eye friend kwa de bi moa kwa de bi enti asonafo ahye sode no kwa de bi wura aeroplane the engine mu a wo boa aeroplane ne beba fom e beto fom say team
anoma ma de che ko se be ka se oh se nkoro na ma hama party anka kufa ko achi na tum na da ko anko ti committee am mo invite kufa so mechirim de na plane tihwe enko mla mechirim
me if I went to Bahama anka you see on Friday Monday commission of inquiry at Transit dada we invite Nana Addo. Oh yes. Yeah, look, we should start from J. Kufuor. Who bought Excellency J. Kufuor? Tell us. Then tell them our Tom. No, not they all wanted to say. Wait to say.
We have a lot ahead of us. I didn't have one better two of them. We predecessor. I didn't know one.
Debbie, yeah.
I feel like Captain Yanko Freeway. Debbie, I didn't yet. To say the old can say, and you chop the Coconia accident. Yes, last I didn't yet. I didn't want to two report to go at just Captain.
Who just asked for information?
I didn't know was Captain, maybe a civilian gun and yeah. But if you nipa ewu Ghana fine so, if nipa ewu ya kwati commission of inquiry because oba report that was ade na say ade ne nye. Report that President Kufuor so when you see you so Kufuor ben when you sue 170 pilot now can captain. It's not about him, it's about jet now kwakoto. Ade ne nye.
Ye manem try
and I'm for crackers and a captain say we about them one na say na adwen adwuma. Kufuor on the plane and I said I work on the helicopter and I said and do invite Kufuor or may a day captain Kufuor may a day what I say or may a day na I don't know and Afrifa abamubi Afrifa abe chere Captain Smart Afrifa e di nyansa kakra abewura Captain Smart to say e free chine kwode Captain Smart e be su nyansa
for reason for problem. I don't see.
Dr. Samson Akasa.
Dr. Samson. Or said there.
Sample near the coast South Africa. No. Our same count.
Sample Bayer. DNA no. Anna way by Dr. Paul Poku Sampany or say where your forensic a pathologist. Na your basi ya nipa DNA ni adimwa. We no e obi a wotre no ase. Ah yonkonkotie.
It cuts a very bad slur. Within the country, cut a very bad slur, and it's a bot. your medical
Danny, we brofuna what can say? Nessa dianim guasie, Ghana, say ho Ghana. Yes, see into me dear Niwaha. It yes, the course South Africa after 68 years of independence. And a pathologist and say the way they guya nimuase. Na yenkongo tie dienti okase guya nimuase yenti.
Well, it cuts a very bad slur. Within a cancer, cut a very bad slur, and it's a bot. Your medical system, no more, any ministry of health, no more, any government, it be almost a be almost spitey and ade. But the most important thing is go home say, because my family say if the government can spend so much, the my family at the time I call Germany Kushner, the same thing I mean almost across South Africa. The Ghana government was spending so huge amount on me per year. My boss which says Canova say be agro. It's not Ghana government. President Kufuor Adaruma, the call could be 7 years of Canada. Just go and learn. I did be no even medicine class, specialty be no set a cushion 7 years. It doesn't happen. But pathology, in 7 years, I spent 7 good years in Germany learning this to come and assist, teach, and train people. But you buy you be the abua system, no. Me fan takradi case here, be am nipa me send you septic tank. We were the ones who did it. And that based on that, the judges or the courts were able to give judgment and what they pronounce, what you call sanctions, and that's one pronounce sentences. You find them guilty. No? So what has changed in this particular case? I don't know what has changed. Probably they are going to do something that we don't know, or we cannot have the capacity to do. Otherwise, if it's just identification, said Honorable Muntakaka, you know. So see you identify or no pen agent. I can assure you there's nothing agency when you are going to do something in connection with human beings. A method, any time, any abutre, any day. I don't see how it makes a biamuko no and then no my how agent. Anchekra 2 weeks and now 1 week the MBD and Sanomaba. Is it agent? Any agent.
General, you doctor, you can answer. Naka dear, you bet me and Waha. Nadia no BDC, any young course South Africa. You come now, what are you? Naki bet me a dear in Waha. Your doctor, you can know. And then him was some year Kwaku when was and your dear in the crane to me, you be my gun. And yes, sir. Hey, we work as I was here was Shadako, Germany, and my Ghana by born hooker. So, Uncle Sua dear in the man. Ah, ye big Ghana ha. And so I see a Yana ha. I see a Dugu and me and the play mu. Near the coast South Africa. I'm going here too far. Yanam can't you try my pace. Yea, Mahuna Manio. I'm on for Gadaji. Deck. Ada Petre, you want me to become your boy. No crentio. Na me no crenti me dins mengu. Matina na nanu makonwa so. Enso yesi me twatro. Na me de na nanu makonwa dins ye. Sese me twatro a kire mo dia. Ene na nanu munkum ye. Maka me no crenti. Sa me ne mo anatie.
On fire.
No ma di matem wa dia. Na akoma manfo na manfo ne wo. Move raising more raising for last two. I don't hear hammer. Who produce a bravo? We'll be a hard day. A bureau. Membra bear. What your bear?
And I'm aeroplane at the top. So what's your place to do at the top of my or Hanchi Chemwedu Sia Enum 65% Ayanoma. Modern aircraft, aeroplanes are by Yasi Nano, the Yan Abe for Yamresu, Nano, Yasi it to be yan such a way, your friend the bird ingest, and to me, and for how we are and family. But Anoma, your friend the pete. Pete, say anyone did minimum poor trust annual. Oh, mammy, Frewo, say pete, or frey. Anoma your friend the pete. Say owura aeroplane engine ni mu a woboa plane never form. If you say pete ni mu odu eche asrewa. Say crow I friend crow kra no twi yede. F00LING friend then akonkwan o say then and crow ni twi minim say the other friend no. Yes yo
Emunso ayi o. Kwajo yi. Kwajo.
Oh hini. It's way na. That's the story of Machi Bopada ko.
Bopada ko.
Pete.
Say ni wa de say wa.
Ah, the better so jasre wa. Oh kwajo. Baisi kwajo ni din ne honam se o.
Ayo hini.
Onim enipa no omudi nko. Aha, onim se manfo no. Omadwene no emmo number. And the people will like something like this.
Exactly.
Rather than the bemo madwene akwachiri. And to okawe ya it's so simple the people can relate. Pete say anywhere didn't say anywhere. And when the real plane say anywhere didn't na plane number form say anywhere didn't say anywhere. Hey, say anywhere didn't. When you engage the people on this level, they don't need another level of thinking. They don't require another level of energy to dissect assembly wakano. So they follow you. Now when you have to do another level of thinking, another level of reasoning, it becomes so difficult for the people to process it. For that matter, some of us, we may not cut for them. And see, crowd no Nemo wadama, and you may cost about 65% of a year plane, the crash, nyepete. Why? The edikano ye a year pilot, no, so you make a mistake. Says, Mia enu and Miano Kumia Benia. So a year pilot error. Why could you say pilot no tion bibintines or Mia Bibinu and Miania? And only number one course. Could you mechanical error? Say plane no air. Adeɛ no aduru wiem no na ebia engine fault bi ni adeɛ na by for na no die ya na you almost say md so almost say land because na the tire pai wo wiem na minim de no de tire ni ye wo wiem it mechanical error oyo and also ya another cause of a year na traffic control once a plane betua enkrofo control from a year room bi say wo ye ni adeɛ ene clear enye clear a plane be far so plane na e2 fa wiem no enkrofo bi gu another room a omo na control a plane no baby a wo fa ne won fa nyina using GPS ni ade nyina koyo edi say sa enkrofo no omo nso failure traffic control error no say bi ko enkrofo bi a omo de light no direct a plane ni ade no so anya ni nyoma yi a no etimi de ayiba wa koyo these are the causes the major causes and now say whether ne nya koyo whether no nya na yehu yanim turbulence bebre ni ade no enu timi ma pilot ni lusu ko ye kojo peta de no kura ni nyame anim ni se plane tu na ka kura ko mframa ko ye mframa geto na plane ya pagya ni mu a e ko no na peta ni plane na ko ye 15,000 feet above sea level now you want ni plane na ko change mu na mframa na ni plane na mu no peta no be da ben ho yi kojo wadama mframa na ya na doso enti pattern wo yeso oben ho ebe ho no na plane ba bia na mu yi nipa kura so chen pattern no wo ye mistake a plane bi ku no na eno na pattern ba ko wura mu ana we ni plane foforo drone ana Egoyo na drone keto akura ye fly ko wiemu eno ma kwakwado bi ni ade na eba ho a etoda bebre no eso nti wo mutimi ma ho kwaju wayo ada ma we no akame se ba ya che kame nka ho ase na emo se be na manfo ni benya education kakra we don't need this kind of miseducation in the society. The people must use their brains to think. The people must think from another level. Yet me nyata so trivial. Yet me nyama myopic. We cannot be so myopic in our discussions. Public discourse when it comes to nation building, it must be elevated. We must elevate the discourse. So I don't think this kind of discussions, as an astute journalist of your caliber, even if pete ne wine the course here jama form for nenka and here say gasen komo ne peja conversation ne kwa another level of reasoning wa ko jowe da wada ma mesrewa and I know you are capable of doing it. When you want to study and do it, you do it. Except that you like too much of a pedestrian conversation and you understand the psyche of the people that they also do like pedestrian conversation. For that reason you don't want to help them, but your job, your major job, your major role, your major reasoning is that you shouldn't be pedestrian. When you get mass media and the people needs to reason, when they shape the way they think, you cannot also be part of the downward thinking, the way you cannot be a part of it. So raise the discourse, elevate the discussion. Don't be doing these things on TV. Bro, please. I mean, I have so much respect for you and what you have been able to achieve. But please elevate the discourse. Don't do these things. Why? I beg you. God, thank you. My last one, yeah, dear. Moko ihe shebrem. Ewa yi. Shebre se safo. Na we no Obapa Christi. Wone sa akode de mienu bia ba ko. Ne da pa. Me be kwara me bon be ke. One sa akode de nyame gospel bia. O ri a shebre se safo no. Ana me yese ne mo nkope shebe yi ni bi na muntie. Eti Obapa Christi ne sa akode de. Aha na wan na de shebre se sana be. Kubewura. One Kubewura.
Brazil kube $20 back.
Na wo ade na ya okeka niam abasa abasa.
Ese manfo no na ade asoma mi o.
Mami kemo. No omo se dai.
Omo se eja.
Brazil kube. Every se free ankra. Wo apenya ne sa no ogwai. Sofpani. Ese wa ya dai.
Se eja.
We suma kwa hine. Wo bejeje the prophecy. No wa hwehwem. No wa verify. Na no nyame no be frɛ na be frɛ wan sɛ nyame ampa sɛ we no da ode ma no amammo no ato abese no enkoyo basa na wo leaders so madwini ne dia na ye coin. No wonder 68 years to nowhere.
Exactly.
So we leaders are dreaming see a ma prophecy. Instead say you be your marania sanitizer. Dan pare be jobo. Brania feel. Or the discipline ba o mani. And I know betna ha. Na me sintia difo eniom omo ye bia na mo ye. Tete difo no. De omo ye no. No omo tete market square. If say ne wo like in media tetenu a just what na dwom na da bia no se prophecy sabi woni 10 days but dem ni bia na wo ye bomfa asante achem wono da bia wo tena dwom wono okeka mu tiatia mu sa eti yamfana asem nya hwe so opesi enya the difference between 1 and 10 days dia wo ni adamu se no oti dwom ne nchen hwa na wono nso ye niam na yi wo keka mu sa na sanya sa na wo prophecy ni nyame na dia ma wa nyame de ma wi a wo de adwene ka ho se de ode ma Samuel so onko shira David and wode ho adwene ka ho eti imagine say Samuel be gina market square and wo yes hey David ye nyame ahye so obedi hene nyame ahye so obetu so eti ka so enko no ka so ko no afa bra no kura nyame suma so David say Samuel se ko shira no wo so ko na David hu no ebisa tete adifo ne yempie basa ye be pia na ya suma no eti eda ya wo hene hu no Samuel also se Samuel no David hunu wa ayi so ehunu wa ka kire ne se me nyame se be ye ohia fo de e se nyame de adwene ka ho ama se me the prophecy na ma de nanso enka ne basabasha enkasa rough nanso ye difo ye wo kromo ayi omso mu ntie afi yesi ya mansu man kwa hene aye ni nyina aka ho nanso man kwa hene is say no the prophecy la wa kube agware egura yenya enwe na wo na we kube ebo ho ka no obetimi ahwe prophecy so na we na job for the boys see e pe ba bi ma ono so she say ba ye no ye chicha ye nya bi minister on be promises on the 51 one be bu na ye tro it will we no upon the ministers ni be presidency go dem won from ministers on the din funu bi abeto mo so no mo so age pay diam na ade if so oni asofo ni hia bia no asofo no be je kakra ko it is your budget 20,000 for asofo no it is a way of bribing the church na mo amie mo ni am hunu if so asofo bi a wo ba ye ana manya nkom hye ni mai say o so ne wo ko ada o magye si e be channel sika fa it we su ye way person if so free agra so be di kakra nyansa bia anim ye mu man saa ma dwene ni susabho amamuo ko kanse se ye be di matam ye wu bu man ana asa wo di bia to prophecy ano na ni woni usuman kwa hene difference o me dey difference ni
ubeza achira wa adwene ama me e wo comment section aha Penyah Block Media Accra.